Hello guys, welcome back to my channel which is Explore the Adobe. This is Zunaira Hanif, and in this tutorial I am going to show you that how you can add some funky lights to the dark images using vibrance in Photoshop. So here you can see, and of course you can download this image from the link which I have provided in description. Here you can see I have this one is before image and I have this one after. So I have not added some other lights. I have played with actual photo colors, and here you can see the much difference in the colors. It is looking now if we place this image before this one, you will surely you will can decide that which is looking much better now. So let me first delete this image. Now from here you can go to vibrance. So from here you just need to increase the vibrance to 100. So now it is showing a little bit color, funky colors in the sky, but now we will go to adjust it. We are going to add some brightness. A little bit we will add brightness because it is dark, so we are not going to add much brightness. And now a little bit contrast. So simple. Now you just need to go to levels and just increase this slider to the leftward. Make sure you are not making it completely white, so you have to be careful about it. So increase a little bit exposure. I think I should not increase the exposure because I am instead reducing the exposure. So here I have reduced 0.93 only. So go again to your brightness and increase it. Also you need to increase some contrast. So basically now we are going to add selective color adjustment layer. From here simply you can see red is selected. You can add magenta to it like this. If you want you can reduce this cyan, but it is affecting your model, therefore you have to play it with carefully. Now simply from here go to yellows and add some yellows. Here you can see the model image, so it is increasing, and here I am reducing magenta. Now you just need to go to magentas and add magenta. You can also check this black. I am adding it to 100%. Now go to neutrals. You just can add a little bit magenta like this. If you want to add yellow you can add it, but I will suggest you to keep it only 1%. So I think we should keep black 0. Now you just need to go whites, add magenta to whites like this and add. Now it is looking much better. So here you can see, let me first group these adjustment layers by controller command G. So here you can see, here is before the adjustment which is looking very matte, you can see. So now here is after adjustment which is looking amazing. So actually you have not added some extra lights, you have played with your adjustment layers and your and the darkness of your image. So here is the after result which you can see. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe and give your reviews in comment section. Thank you.